Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up EMA on Webull. First, open your Webull app and select any stock to view its chart. Look for the small gear or settings icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the chart interface. Tapping this icon will open a menu with various customization options. From this menu, you'll want to choose Indicators to proceed with adding the Exponential Moving Average. This initial step is crucial for accessing all the technical analysis tools. Once you're in the Indicators section, scroll through the list until you find EMA, which stands for Exponential Moving Average. Tap on it to add it to your chart. Next, you'll see options to customize its parameters. The most important setting is the period, which determines the number of past data points the EMA considers. Common periods are 9, 20, or 50. You can also select a unique color and line thickness to make your EMA stand out visually on the chart. After customizing your EMA, tap the Done or Apply button to implement the changes. You should immediately see the Exponential Moving Average line appear on your stock chart, reflecting your chosen period and visual settings. Take a moment to ensure it looks as expected. For convenience, Webull allows you to save your customized chart layouts. This means you won't have to reconfigure your EMA every time you open a new chart, saving you valuable time during your analysis. Now that your EMA is set up, take a moment to review it on your chart. Ensure the period, color, and thickness are exactly as you intended for optimal analysis. Remember, different trading strategies often utilize various EMA periods, so don't hesitate to experiment with values like 9, 20, or 50 to see what best fits your approach. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.